We're going to build the same Pong game twice. First with GitHub Co-pilot, then with ChatGPT. Which one will be better? Or maybe you'll just say, I'll make my own game. You decide. But first, let's jump in and start with GitHub Copilot. All right, I typed in a prompt and Copilot gave me the full code. Boom, Copilot chose to make the game using Pygame. Let's copy the code. First, we need to install Pygame in VS Code. You can install it with this command. Then paste the code into a Python file and run it. Controls are simple. WS for the left paddle, up down for the right. Tab switches to AI mode, P pauses, R resets, and ESC quits. The game looks slick, moves smooth, and you can get that satisfying pong action. One small thing though, the score resets after each round. So if you win the first point, it goes back to 0-0 next round. Not perfect, but overall, super fun. Next up, we tried the same prompt with ChatGPT. This time it picked Turtle, which is cool because it comes with Python, no installs needed. Let's copy the code. I ran it, and honestly, it was really slow. The game worked, but it just didn't feel exciting. No smooth hits, no speed, no adrenaline, not as fun as Copilot's version. So yeah, sometimes AI gives you games, but they're not always perfect. The fun part? You don't have to rely on Copilot or ChatGPT. You can make your own Pong game from scratch. There are lots of free courses on this channel. You can check out the one where I go deep into the Turtle library. It's perfect for learning how to make your own games with Python. And don't forget to explore the other courses too. There's a ton of cool stuff waiting for you. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and support the channel. It really helps a lot.